Alright. So I built this one inside the house while I'm keeping an eye on the kids. I'll just turn the heater on so to help dry it. A little bit of glue here. This is some leftover scraps. This is going to sit on top of the vintage table. You see they cut into it, whatever. You know, they were just cutting over this piece, but anyway, still good enough for me. So, just 2x4s. I had one I had actually, I didn't have a long enough piece, so I tried something a little bit different. I don't expect to be too much weight on it, but what I did was I took these two pieces here, and I screwed them together and glued them and put a piece of OSB on there. When I get it set up, I'm going to probably put a leg over there. We'll see how it sits. It looks like it has a bow to it. So this is supposed to sit up top. Try to wipe all the glue. So anyway, we're just gonna let the heater blast it. Fireplace going a little bit. Anyway, so I haven't been able to do much because I've been trying to entertain the kids and get stuff done at the same time. So I'm kind of at the point where there's not a lot more that I can probably build out there for cables and stuff like this. So this one's mostly probably just going to sit on top of a DVD player and an Xbox and a power conditioner, and it'll just be a small TV on top of it.